Hi, I'm Stavros. Good morning and welcome. We are on our way out to the truck run for Katie. So I am taking this truck. It's a 2003 164L 480 with a V8 engine. You might have seen the video I put up already, walking around all of this truck and going on a test drive. So yeah, that was the previous video, but we are joined by 3 trucks here from Nolan's in Castleisland. So you might remember I done a video of this truck, the S580. The new S580 there from Scania. Fabulous truck there with the V8 engine and the flat floor inside. We'll have a look at that later on. And over here, Nolan's have also brought their recovery truck. So we have a 1990 Scania there, a 113, 400 horsepower. And we also have behind it the S500. I've done a video on this as well, a test drive on this. So yeah, the lads are all just parked up here at the moment, and we are making our way out to the Auburn Lodge in Ennis. That is where the truck run for Katie is going to kick off, and yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. There's going to be hundreds of trucks at this event. I was out there last night and I registered my own truck that I'll be driving, and now we're on the way out because the lads will register and we'll all get set and get ready to convoy all around County Clare. So I'll let you know the route later on, but we're just going to get some breakfast here and make our way out to Ennis. Okay, we're just about to leave now. I have little Rory here.
Hi. Hi.
Stuff with Rory on YouTube, right? So that's little Rory, and I have Nolan's trucks here. We're all just outside here at the moment. Let's make our way to Ennis. Okay, we have made it to the Auburn Lodge. There must be 100 trucks here already, guys. Great turnout already, and it's only what, 10 AM, Rory, is it? Yeah, so we're all parked up here. Nolan's there. We'll go inside and just show you the registration area, and then we'll come out here and have a look around some of these trucks. Plenty more to come. The old Austin truck, guys, look. From the 60s. The pride of the fleet. There you go. 1963. Spa Transport's oldest truck there. Great to see that again. We saw that at Full of the Pipe. So we're just here at the registration area now. So all the drivers will be coming in here, registering their trucks to take part in the Katie run. So I'm just going to bring you inside here just for a quick look around. And over here we have the big board here. the boardroom, where all the activity is happening. Where all the drivers will be coming in to register their truck, as I said. And we have plenty of t-shirts here, truck run for t-shirt for Katie. And Scania jackets there, Scania models over there. Yeah, so plenty here for the drivers to buy, and yeah, that's how it all looks inside here. I'm just going to go outside now and show you the trucks. And out here in the car park we have a 164G V8 580 T-cab Scania there. 3 axles at the back, so heavy haulage on that truck. Yeah, nice one there. And beside it then we have the older Scania here, the older T-cab there, the 143M with the big bull bar there on the front. Twin axle at the rear, So that is the older T-cab Scanias there. You can see the difference over the years. And we have an R500, the V8. Of course, the new R500s are all now straight 6-cylinder trucks. We have a bunch of joggers here. I don't know where they're coming out of, but there you go. Must be some race on today. And we have a 16400, a 164L V8 580 here. Where are they all coming out of here? And we have Spa Transport's R560 there, 2015. So the V8 engine also in that. Looking very well, Spa Transport. And this has the twin steer axle there at the back. So there will be plenty of trucks from Spa Transport taking part in the run. Mercedes actress here. Yeah, plenty of activity here now, guys, as they all line up in the car park. We have an R560 V8 there, all the way from Fethard in County Detour area. Yeah, that is the streamlined Scania there, and we have this TGA 18 430 D20 common rail there, the MAN, looking very well, 2006 that model. And then we have Martin Ryan in the DAF XF, so 510 horsepower in this 2016 DAF XF. So your DAF, MAN and the Scania, that's the lineup here on this side. And we have DB Schenker here with their rigid in from Shannon. 300 horsepower from the 1830 Actress there. And we have the refrigeration unit there on the chassis. So this can be cooled or heated in the rear compartment. So very expensive rigid truck there. A lot of money spent on doing up that truck. We have more trucks pulling in here. We have a DAF CF there. And another truck behind it, a Volvo FH. Yeah, so it's getting busy here at the moment, guys. And we have Lee Trans there with a Renault. And we have a G490 tipper truck there. And the Scania S500. So these are all 6-cylinder now, no longer V8s in the 500 horsepower S series there. And we have the R580 there from Scania there, 580 horsepower from the V8. And we have Scania's R500, another one there, the Highline cab, bigger cab to the previous one. And we have the S730 here. So this is Scania's flagship here. Now it's not the Highline, low line cab there, normal cab, but 730 horsepower from this. Those very expensive trucks, maybe about 165, 170,000 euro. So he's just pulling in with his cattle truck there at the moment. I'm kind of boxed in here. Let's go back a bit here, guys. He's gonna find it tight getting through there, Rory. Yeah, a bit of a tight squeeze there. And we have Martin Ryan here with a DAF, the XF DAF there, Super Space cab, Super Space. So 460 horsepower from the XF, and the 2014, another XF there from Michael Walsh. Then we have Chemiflock here from Shannon, and their 2017 Actress there. So another new Actress there. The 2551. I think this is a hen night. Is this a hen night? Who's getting married? Oh, I should have guessed it. The one in white there. There, look. Best of luck, girls. It's going to be a mad night. Now myself and Rory are going to go in for a little bit of breakfast, Rory, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go inside and have some breakfast and come back out and show you more trucks. Have to have my coffee, guys. So, having here all the breakfast, Rory, you having yours, is it? Yeah, we're just inside here now. And then we'll go back outside, have a look at some more trucks. So as we continue walking around the car park here, I'll just show you more trucks. But when this car park fills, we're all going to be shifted out of here and group on the Lahinch Road at a petrol station to make our way for more trucks arriving here. So just walking down through the line here, we have Volvo's FM 2012 tractor unit there. We have the 500 horsepower FH beside it, 2016. Then we have a Streamline top-line Scania here, 143H V8 450. Then King's absolutely fantastic looking R500 V8, looking very well there. And an R480 there, 2007 from Carey Contracting. Then we have Comerfords here with two great looking trucks. You can see this one on the left here, the 2006 had the newer grille on the front of it there, and Comerford's 164L V8 580 beside it. So these two trucks arrived late last night. I was here last night doing a quick Facebook Live, and these two trucks arrived along with about 14 other trucks. So I was here last night just doing a quick walk around, and we have Renault here and DAF and Cargo King with their Renault 2016. Then we have McKean, he arrived here late last night as well, 2005 FH12. And then we have Jennings here. Just look at the condition of this Eurostar, 520 horsepower V8 engine in that, looking absolutely fantastic. The 1998 Eurostar. And we have Connor here as well, shining it up. And look at the tyre writing here, Bridgestone. It looks fantastic, the tyre writing on Jennings' truck here, and the exhaust pipes as well. They sound absolutely wicked. But Connor's a huge Iveco fan as well, aren't you, Connor? Huge. Doesn't like Scanias at all. But each to their own. His truck is looking incredible here. And by the way, guys, will any of you who are watching this video, will you please try to find, you know, the old Turbo Star Ivecos? Well, Connor's looking for the ones that have the wiper on it. So if you know anyone with an 80s Turbo Star Iveco with those wipers on the mirrors, Connor's looking for them, okay? They're very hard to find apparently. But Connor does have, you have two Turbo Stars, Connor, yeah? Yeah, and fantastic condition. He showed me photos of them, two Turbo Stars as well. Yeah, but he's just looking for the ones with the mirrors there, with the wipers, guys. Some of you watching will know the ones I'm on about, but he can't find them. They're very hard to get on the 80s Turbo Star. But look at this Strator here, the Iveco Strator. I think they're 550 horsepower, 2016 Guinness truck there. We saw him up at full of the pipe. Then we have D&G McArdle Transport with the R480. Then a 143H450 from D&G McArdle also. Then a 164L V8 480, same model as the one I'm driving, but mine is the top line, 2002. So very clean truck for its age. Then we have Tuck Mill Transport. He arrived here last night as well in his FH. And look at this, we have a 141 V8, the really old Scania from 1982. So the same age as myself. If you believe that, you believe anything, guys. But anyway, there you go, 142M. So the next model that followed the 141, we had the 142, 1987. The good old days. V8 intercooler there, 142. And then the 143. So the next model after this, yeah, great lineup here by Hendrik. 420 horsepower, 143H. Then we move on from this series onto the R series, R580 V8 2016. So great power out of them. But look at this, we've got the T-Cab Scania 2016. 730 horsepower from this, huge amount of power, and of course hugely expensive. Getting the conversion here for the R series, but that is Hendrik's lineup here. They all arrived last night, looking fantastic. And the new S series here, Scania S series. Look at the bar at the front, guys, big bar there. On this 3-axle S series JJB Transport. Then we have a rigid here with 2 tractors on the back, and the boys here, how you doing, lads? Yeah. And we move down, look at the old Foden on the back of this FH12, guys. This old Foden, 1974. Look at this. Wow. You got to love guys that look after these old trucks. 1974 Foden. Absolutely fantastic to see that. How are you doing, lads? Hey! Yeah. And another Volvo here, the FM rigid there, 370 horsepower from Dan O'Connor, 2015 model there. And another Volvo FH, 460 horsepower, Euro 6 spec. Top line Scania there, 620 horsepower. From Paul Murphy. Good on you, Paul. Great condition. Your 2006 620. Then we have the R500, a DAF XF. We have McDonald Transport here in a 2014 DAF XF 105. And the FH there, Globetrotter 500. 2013, that model. Another FM Volvo. And Limerick Recycling here with an R500 top line Scania V8 and the FH 2012. Yeah, that is Limerick Metal there. And David Nestor there with an R series and a 164 beside it. We have Clare Civil Defence over there, and this old Hino as well. Check out this old Hino here. I really like this, from 1990 there. PJ Kelly haulage in Ennis. Absolutely fantastic condition. This Econo Diesel FY Hino. Really like that now. That is quite a truck. Be very collectible in the future, I reckon, these old Hinos. Let me just give you a quick look inside. There you go, if you can see it, guys. That's how they used to look. The old Hinos, and the body there at the back, and the lineup here from Rory Lynch. How are you doing, guys? Like, what is this? What is that? I think he's celebrating Halloween already. And why has he got the hazardous chemicals plate down? Like, what is that down for, huh? So yeah, the teddy bear is maybe the hazard. Maybe that's what that is. And Fleming Transport there with their R520 V8. So plenty of torque from that engine. I drove one of them. Nolan's down in Castle Island gave me one of these, an R520 V8. Great power out of them. And the FH 2012 beside it. Then we have Barna Transport with a 2007 XF DAF. Then we have Capo here with his Actros. Yeah, his 2014 Actros. There you go. The 420 horsepower Actros. And we have BioCore here with a Hino 700. Okay, it's time for us to hop inside our trucks. We're going to make our way out to the petrol station on the Lahinch Road and get ready to set off on the run. So let's go! Oh lads, it's just a jam here at the moment to make our way out to that petrol station and get started on the run. But there are just trucks everywhere at the moment. Oh, it's good fun, good fun. So we're here all just parked in a line at the moment on the hard shoulder, getting ready to set off on the biggest convoy you'll see in Ireland, all around County Clare. So big line up here, guys, and I just swing around. Look at them all there. Hundreds. I'm just here, sticking out of the roof of the truck. So yeah, what a sight to see, guys. So we're now on the run. We have left the hard shoulder and we're all in convoy at the moment, making our way out to County Clare. Okay, we're just passing the cliffs of Moher now. So plenty of people here at the moment. Give them a hoot. Okay, we're still making our way around the route. All the guys passing. Alright guys. Oh, it was great fun driving through all the different villages here. In Ennis about 40 minutes ago, and this is all the second run of trucks arriving into Ennis now. So these guys are way behind us on the first run. There you go, the T-cab Scania there. And Henry there, and M&G Transport with their MAN. So we're now here at Gort Road Industrial Estate, and they're all taking over the estate, guys. There's trucks everywhere here, all over there, all down here, and all behind me as well. Oh lads, so all the trucks that are parked in this end of the estate are trucks that will be heading home tonight. So there. So we'll make our way back down to the Auburn Lodge and have a quick look around there and have our dinner, Rory, yes?
Yeah, we're gonna have
Yeah, have our dinner and then see what else happens. But we'll have a quick look around, see what trucks are here now. Still more trucks coming in here, guys. Yeah. So let's have a quick look around here, and because Spa Transport have a very nice selection of trucks here. We'll have a look at the R560 V8 Scania top line there, and another R560 beside it, and an R520 there, V8. Rory standing in my way. And over here we have an R520 there, and an R560 Highline there at the back. And swing over here, we have another R560 Highline there, and another Globetrotter there just heading off. FH Volvo, and more trucks down the back there. But check out the livery here on this Scania R series here. Very nice painting there at the back. That woman and a wolf. Very nice piece of work, and also on the side skirt here as well. Another painting there. Two polar bears. And this very nice finish here on the catwalk. Great piece of work there. And the fifth wheel in blue as well. Yeah, this is quite a striking design here. A 124 Scania there. Top line. 2002 I think it is. Yeah. And move down here, we have Padraig Egan, and we have Tinreland and Brennan International there. Yeah, it's quite a lineup down here, guys. So this is handy, guys. We have a photographer here who took all still photos of each and every truck during the run. So we just have our truck there on the computer there, and we're going to print it out and get it in a frame. So a very good service here, and they're all queuing up here for the photos of their trucks. There you go, guys. Yeah, let's print out our one and have a look. Oh, just like that. That was very quick. There we have it, in a frame, guys. The 164L 480. And that's how it's done. Very good idea at a truck event. So that's it. Everyone is just inside at the moment, finishing off their dinner. We have the last of the trucks pulling in here. Bad transport in their R560. So Rory, you enjoyed your day, yeah?
Yeah, great day.
Yeah.
Come here for the food. And remember to shout out to Alex.
Oh yes, Alex Cleary, yes. Thanks for the reminder, Rory.
Yeah.
Okay, and oh yeah, and all proceeds from today are going towards the Cystic Fibrosis Unit at the University Hospital in Limerick. So a great cause, proceeds from the run today. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope to be here tomorrow, maybe do a quick Facebook Live and let you know what's going on here with the family day. But that pretty much wraps it up for 2017 for the truck run for Katie. 2 years time, we'll have the next one, 2019. So if you haven't made it this year, hope to see you then, guys. But that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up. And until the next video, until next weekend, I'll chat to you then, guys. We're done, Rory, we're done. Cheers. Take care, guys, and thanks for watching. Cheers.